Good morning once again, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
So we will continue with our quadrilaterals. Okay, last day I asked you to study two formulae. Which are they, Shreya? Shreya. Only two formulae we studied last day. Which are they?
N into n minus 3 into 180 degree.
Huh?
N into n minus 3 into 180 degree.
Forgetting what?
So getting the sides
Sides of?
sides of the polygon.
So n into n minus 3 into 180 degree. Degree is measure of what? Is it a measure of sides? Shreya?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
angles.
So getting angle of what? N into n minus, what do you say? N into?
N minus 3 into 180.
For getting what?
The
Angle
of the polygon.
Any polygon. Is it interior angle or exterior angle? Interior angle or exterior angle? Okay, no problem. Okay, no.
Ma'am, interior.
Interior. Okay, Shreya, you do one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Your notebook is with you?
Yes, ma'am.
And I ask you to put that formula in a box. Isn't it? You did that?
Yes, ma'am.
Take that. Let me see. Did you get?
Ma'am.
And read. It is there. Read then. Read.
Angle sum of a polygon with n sides is equal to n minus 2 into 180.
So, is there any mistake? What you said?
Ma'am, it's not n into n minus 3.
Okay, so what is this n into n minus 3? What about
Angle
that?
sum of a polygon.
Angle sum of a polygon is n into n minus 3?
No, ma'am, n minus 2 into 180 is angle sum of the polygon.
Angle sum of a polygon. So, one more formula is there. Which was that? No problem. You check your book. If you are not getting, check your book. Check your book. One you got. Other one? Wait. Others, wait.
Ma'am, n into n minus 3 by 2.
For getting what? Getting?
The number of diagonals.
Number of diagonals is n into n. Did you study it last day? Yesterday, did you study it? These two formulae?
Yes,
then why it was, why did you forget?
Ma'am, a bit tough for me. A bit tough for me.
Bit tough, only this day. So toughness we need to reduce. Okay. So in maths, there is only way to reduce the toughness is repeated study. Okay. So who's your group leader?
Gopika Shankar.
Gopika?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya will write these two formulae 15 times and will send to you before my next class. Okay? Okay, Gopika. And yesterday I asked some other leader also to write and send 10 times one formula. To whom I asked?
Afridi.
Afridi. Who's the leader of Afridi? Afridi's leader is? Surja. Did he send?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
You have to write. If any duties I'm giving, you have to mention in your book. Otherwise, you also will forget that. Okay. Afridi, are you present?
Ma'am, he's not there.
Okay. So you have to remind him. Surja. Okay. Okay. So now we will move to our problems. The first one. 1 second. Okay. So for getting number of diagonals, the formula is Number of diagonals of a polygon, the formula is
N into
n into n minus 3 by 60.
3 by n into n minus 3
by 2.
by 2, n into n minus 3 by 2, and the sum of interior angles of any polygon equal to
N minus 2 into 180
what
degrees.
is n? What's n?
Sides of polygon.
N is sides of the polygon. Okay. Number of sides of the polygon. Yes, correct. Now, right, first question, find the value of x. I think we did some of the questions of this type. Find x, isn't it? Some are there. Find x. Find x. It is there in your book, page number 42, exercise question, 6th question, page 42. Draw the polygon, quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral, 130 degree. This is 130 degree. It is 120 degree. And here 50. Simple question. This is x. We need to find x.
Ma'am, page number
42. It is a quadrilateral now. And we know that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is
360.
360. That you have to by heart. 360 degrees. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 3. Yes.
Ma'am, 6.
Correct.
Ma'am, we have to write the sum of interior angles, that line in every question, right?
Yes, yes.
And this you will write in notes.
Yes, yes. Everything in your notes. Otherwise, where you will write? If you're not in notes, where you will write?
Ma'am, in paper notes or lecture notes?
We have only one note. That is the class note. Okay. All the classworks, homeworks, everything we are doing in the same note. Okay.
No, paper.
Paper. No, paper. We don't have some other lecture note and some other note there. We are doing all the problems in the notes, both homeworks and classworks also. So x equal to 360 minus 300. 60 degree. 360 minus 300 equal to 60 degree. Second question. Right, second question. Second also a quadrilateral.
You can show up.
Yes, one second, I will show. Mute all of you. Mute your Afridi, mute. Over. Can I scroll it up?
Ma'am, x is equals to
60
230.
degree. Okay, second question. X equal to?
230 degree.
Okay, let us check. This figure X 70 and 60. This is 60. So what about this angle? 2 are Hishan. Oh, you are writing on the board, Muhammad Hishan.
Mistakenly. No, sorry.
This will be also equal to. Okay, no problem. It will be also to 90. Both this is given. So this also 90. So you write sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Write that sentence. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 90 plus 60 plus 70 plus x equal to 360 degree. How much is 90 plus 60 plus 70?
Ma'am, 220.
220 plus x equal to, so x equal to how much?
360 minus 220.
Equal to
120 degree.
Ma'am, 140 degree.
140, ma'am.
140,
140.
140 degree. It is
I
x
made
equal
mistake.
to, okay, no problem. Correct it. X equal to 140 degree. Then third one, C. Right, draw the figure.
Ma'am, 140 degree.
Correct. The figure is what is the shape of this figure?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. These two are x. Both the line shows two lines, which means they are equal. We need to find those equal angles. What is this interior of angle A for this pentagon? For pentagon ABCD.
110.
ABCDE, angle A will be equal to this
100.
total will be, here forms what?
180.
Both these two angles forms what? It is a
180 degree.
linear pair. So angle A equal to 180 degree minus 70. So it is equal to 110. Linear pair, and interior angle E also equal to 180 minus 60.
120.
120. Same reason. 120. Angle sum of pentagon is, no need to by heart. If you know, you can directly write or you can find. Angle sum of pentagon equal to formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. That is n is 5. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So this is equal to 3 into 180. 540. This is the angle sum of pentagon. So we can write 30 plus 110 plus 120. Two angles are x equal to 540. Is it clear, children? This step?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 30 plus 110 plus 120 equal to how much?
260.
260. 260 plus 2x. X plus 2x is x plus x is 2x and it is equal to 540. So 2x equal to 540 minus 260 equal to
280.
280. 280. So x equal to 280
divided by
by 2.
140.
140 degrees. So x equal to 140 degree. Okay. Okay, children, you just go through the question and answer once and check whether any doubt is there. All of you go through the question and answer once. If it is clear to you, you can go to the next question D. Draw the figure. If any doubt, you can ask now. Otherwise, draw fourth one, D. If any doubt, I will explain.
Again, so
Yes.
again, so
Okay, okay. I will show. How, Albin?
Ma'am.
Hello,
ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, I found the answer for the next one.
No, wait. Let others also do. Somebody else call me. Who? Afridi?
Yes, ma'am. When ma'am was not speaking, I think you have lost your connection.
When? When?
No, when ma'am was not speaking, I thought you lost your connection.
No. Yeah. Okay. Next question. Its shape is what? Did you draw that figure? It's a, this figure is a, what its name?
Pentagon.
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 Hmm?
Pentagon.
Hmm?
Ma'am, Pentagon.
Sure?
Pentagon.
Sure? Hmm?
Hexagon.
Mhm.
Ma'am, it's a pentagon only.
It's a pentagon.
Ma'am, it's a pentagon
because it has 5 sides.
Madam, what is this figure? Hmm?
Pentagon.
First one and second one. First one and second one. Both are pentagon. Any
Yes,
difference?
ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
difference? Any
Ma'am, the
difference?
other one has all
Yes,
sides are
ma'am.
equal.
So
First
what?
one, all sides
So
are
what
equal.
was its name? So what was its name of not of Pridi? What was its name then? Faisan.
Pentagon.
Ma'am,
Equilateral.
equilateral.
Equilateral pentagon. Regular polygon means all sides are equal. So it is a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon.
Ma'am, we need a stylish name. That.
It is a regular pentagon.
If we say regular pentagon, it is ordinary. So,
23
equilateral
and right.
pentagon.
23 and right.
I understood.
23 and right.
I understood. Okay. It is a regular. Yes.
23 and right.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. See, these marks shows that all sides are equal. So it is a regular pentagon.
Ma'am, we have
Regular.
to divide the angle sum by 5, right?
Okay. So regular pentagon, all sides and all angles are also equal. So right, all angles are equal. So let this be x. All angles be x. All are equal. And we know that sum of interior angles is of a pentagon, which is regular or not regular. Sum of angles equal to
540.
540. We just found that. Sum of angles of pentagon. If it is regular or not, it is 540. Of pentagon equal to 540. So x plus x plus x plus x plus x equal to 540. 5x equal to 540. Find x.
Ma'am, x is equal to 540 divided by 5.
Ma'am,
It's 108.
72. Ma'am, x equals to 72.
Ma'am, it's 108.
72.
108.
108.
108.
108.
Really total fail.
108.
72. Who got 72? Afridi?
Yes, ma'am.
Check Afridi. Check it.
Ma'am, I got a mistake. 360 by 5 only I do.
Only. No, you won't get 0 only. Don't say that time. Okay. Only. X equal to 108 degree. 108 degree. X equal to. Okay. 7th one. Draw the figure. Seventh question.
Answer first. Okay.
Seventh one. Come down. This is y. Our class is up to
11, 10.
11.
10.
10. Okay. So 10 more minutes. Y, x, 90 and 30. Is that question? We need to find x plus y plus z. That is our question. Easily we can write value of x. Hiba,
Ma'am, it is 90.
Hiba, how much this x? Value of x equal to what, Hiba? Hiba? Noor, value of x will be? Noor, all videos are off. Why? Karthik, x equal to? Karthik,
Yes, ma'am.
how much value of x?
90.
Why? Why 90?
Ma'am,
Wait. Offense, why it is 90? Karthik said it is 90. Why? Why offense it is 90? Shahan.
90 minus 1.
90 minus 90. Before, since it is a linear pair, one angle is 90, the other angle also will be equal to 90. Yes.
Linear pair.
A linear pair. Reason is linear pair. And what about angle Z? Is Z equal to?
ma'am, is it equals to 180 minus 30?
180 minus 30, 150. Same
150.
reason. Same reason. Both 150 degree. Same reason. Linear pair. Linear pair. And
Ma'am, y equals to 120.
y equal to 120 by
Ma'am,
how?
why is 90 plus 30 the opposite?
Ma'am, because
angle?
inside 90 plus 30, 120. So 180 minus 20, 60. So the linear pair 180 minus 60 equals to 120.
Ma'am, the sum of the opposite angles.
That also exterior angle property we can use. Exterior angle property.
Yeah.
This y will be equal to sum of these two, 90 plus 30. Okay. So we can write, that is easy. 90 plus 30, 120. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Otherwise also we can find. Okay. This total sum is 180. 180. So this angle will be equal to 180 minus 120. So it is 60. So y will be again 120. Okay, that also you can use, but this is exterior angle property is easy. Exterior angle property. So question y plus x plus y plus z. Therefore, x plus y plus z equal to 90 plus 150 plus 120, and it is equal to 360. X plus y plus z equal to 360 degree. X plus y plus z equal to 360 degree. Is it clear, children? All of you?
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, for a triangle, the sum of interior angles will be 180 and exterior will be 360, right?
Yes.
Exterior also 360.
Exterior
will be 360 and interior will be
interior
180.
as well be. That we will study. Next topic is about exterior angles. Okay. Now next one, last question. Right? Last one. Find x plus y plus z plus w. Draw the figure.
Is it quadrilateral?
Yes. Quadrilateral x, y, w. And this is 120, 80, 60, 60. Okay. You can try this. Try it, all of you. Don't say the answer. You can type the answer in your chat box. Don't say loudly.
Ma'am,
Okay?
can we
loudly,
use the
type.
exterior angle property for quadrilateral?
No, don't use that because we didn't study that one. Use some other, all other. methods.
Okay, ma'am.
That we will study. Yes. W here.
And that
You can show up.
side top.
I can't hear you, Afridi. W.
Right side top, which is the letter
Z.
Ma'am, not that.
Y, right side top is Y. Y.
Why?
Find the value of X plus Y plus Z and type your answer in the chat box. Okay, okay.
I can share screen.
Yes. You find all the angles, not W and Y. Find all the angles. Where to go?
Ma'am, after that, do we need to add the exterior
Add,
angle?
yes. Yes, add X plus Y. That is the question. Find X plus Y plus Z plus W. That's the question. Find X plus Y plus Z plus W. Find all the angles. X we can easily find. X equal to 180 minus 120, linear pair. Y also linear pair, 180 minus 80. Z 180 minus 60. And W first of all that we will find interior W, this value.
420.
How much X? How much X? X is equal to
60.
60. Y?
60.
Z? 120. 120. By 100
120.
120. Z is 120. So getting interior W, is total is 360. For a quadrilateral, in sum of interior angles is 360. 360 minus that is 360 minus
Hundred.
100. And it is equal to
Mama, I got 300.
wait. Not 100. Somehow can be 100. 120 plus 140. After subtracting 260, then 100. Correct. Okay.
Mama, I got after adding 380 degree.
So W will be
80.
180 minus 100.
80.
80. So we got X, Y, Z and W. Add. Children, you understood how to get this
Yes, ma'am.
W, see interior W.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, find this interior W. For that, we know that for a quadrilateral, total is 360. So 360 minus 120, 80, 60.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Gopika, Nakul, is it clear? Sneha?
Ma'am, Preeti is clear.
Okay. Sneha,
I can share.
understood? Sneha, is it clear, Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Ashwin P, clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So W equal to 80 by adding, what is the sum of X plus Y plus Z plus W?
Ma'am, 360.
Ma'am, 360.
60 plus 100 plus 120 plus
120 plus
80
80
equal to
equal to
360
360
degree. Okay. Equal to 360 degree.
Sorry, ma'am, that accident only. That is 2 dots.
What accident?
And that is 2 dots.
Uh.
That when I was unmuting it come. That is
Okay, okay, children. I will wind up the class now. Our